Oh, hello. This is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for joining me today for my simple Sunday video. I am busy preparing for my card ministry at my church that I am head of, and we are going to start making Father's Day cards. And so I thought I will go ahead and show you what we will be making. Last Tuesday, I showed you some Father's Day cards from the Lakeside Retreat paper pumpkin kit. Today, I'm going to show you a bookbinding card. This is an oldie but a goodie, I guess you could say. And I've done a video on them before, but it was a long time ago, like years ago. So I'm going to go ahead and do one for you today. I'm using the Nature Symphony stamp set and the cut and emboss dies that go with it. And so we are going to get started. I put together a little kit here. Um, And so we're just going to get this all put together here. What you start with is a 4.5 inch by 11 piece of paper. This is Pretty Peacock. And then you will score at 1.25 and 5.5. And what I usually do is I start by folding this over in half. And then you'll take the top piece and fold it backwards like this, and then your card base is all set. You will have a 4 by 4 inch square that is a basic white, one that is a designer series paper, and then you'll have a 1.25 inch. And then I also did a 3.75 inch. Um, Here's this 3.5. This might be 3.5. Let me see. Yep, this is 3.5 square that I'm going to put actually right on top of this. So for what we're doing today. All right, I am going to start with my stamping. I am using the uh, stamp that says "To a Great Guy." And I decided at the last minute to try something. Sorry, I forgot I was going to do this. I got a new punch. This is our 3 banner punch. And I am going to try it out here. This is the first time I'm using it, so it might be a little um, tricky when it comes to actually cutting through, but we'll see what we can do here. There we go. See, what's nice about that is you have 3 strips to use your sentiments on. Pretty cool, huh? So that is our 3 banner punch. And I'm going to look at my, oh, it's going to be too small for that. So I'm going to have to use this one. All right. I am using my Secret C. Let me get this out of the way here. My Secret C stamp. And if I don't like the way this looks, then I'm going to do it a little differently, but I'm going to try this. To a great guy. All right. I have to imagine this for a little bit here. So just give me a moment to figure out how this will work. I don't know if I want to do it this way with the banner or if I just want to type the message on think I just want to stamp it on the paper. Yep, and gonna make sure I got it straight and upright. There, yeah, I like that better. Okay. I'm just gonna get these out of the way. Oh, I keep knocking those down. All right. You need 2 pieces of ribbon. These are Secret C, and one is 8.5 inches and one is 5 inches. This is a 4x4 piece of basic white. I'm going to get my stamp and seal. And this is going to be on the inside of our card. And I usually fold this like this so I can see exactly where I need to put this piece to center it correctly. All right. Then I'm going to fold that in half again. And I'm going to take my designer series paper, which is from the Nature's Walk. And I'm going to put that right smack dab in the middle there. Then this is a 1x4 inch strip. And I'm going to put that right where this panel is. And it won't fit end to end, so I got to center it. Okay. Then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to center it on here. All right. Then I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to lay it across this panel here, like so. And then I'm going to take some Stamp and Seal and I'm going to place the ribbon right on there. And I usually flip this over to make sure that it's straight down the middle. And then I'll continue to adhere this end. Then what I do next is I will take some multi-purpose glue and get that on both sides of that ribbon. And I'm going to take it and I am going to fold this down and hold it. Make sure that it gets very secured. Okay, now what I did earlier, oh, come on, stay down. Yeah, put this on top of it to hold in place while I'm talking. I took this stamp and stamped it on some pretty peacock and I cut it out with this cutout. Oh, here, this is what it looks like. And I always adhere my die cuts on as I'm lining up my stamp so that it doesn't move while I cut it. Okay. So I just wanted you to see what this die cut looks like. You know, when you get it all through, that's what that piece will look like. Okay. And while that's still drying, I'm going to put some dimensionals on this because I would like to pop it up. And these are the mini dimensionals that I'm using. Okay, lots of dimensionals on there. Oh, we gotta get the paper off all of these. Come on, there we go. It's being a little stubborn here. That one's not off yet. Okay. All right, I think I got everything else. So I'm going to put this right here. And then I'm going to take my 5-inch piece ribbon and I'm going to just put it underneath here and tie these ends together. And then I'm going to trim the ends so that they don't hang over. And there I have my ribbon on the end. And this is our card. And it opens up like a book, thus the name, the book binding card. Really easy to put together, wouldn't you agree? You just have that long piece and then the pieces that you want to glue together. I'll show you some other examples. This one, I just had the one piece, there wasn't a layer on top, and I just stamped. All right. This one, I added a little triangle to it. And this one, I had that extra piece as well. So there are lots of different ways that you can do them, but it's very easy to make and fun to do. So I encourage you to try to make your own bookbinding card, whether it be for Father's Day or a birthday or anything. It can be used for any um, event and or occasion, and have fun. All right. Thanks so much for joining me today for my Simple Sunday video. I trust that you'll have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday for the next Tickle Tuesday video. Bye now. Oh, excuse my hands, they're really inky.